Starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube friends. Hope you are all fine. As you all know that in each of my video I bring you very beautiful, stylish, elegant, eye-catching crochet knitted dresses designs. Similarly, in today's video I have brought for you some very beautiful, stylish, elegant, eye-catching crochet knitted blouses designs in different color and shape and design you will see in this video. The design in this video will be different from the other design that you see. Crochet knitted blouses designs are made with great effort and they require skilled hand to make. If you have crochet knitting skills, so you can easily make different type of crochet things like bag, hat, cap, scarf, shoes, dresses, curtains, bed sheet, sofa covers, pillow covers, mattresses and mattress cover and many useful things you want. If you want to have such these type of crochet knitted blouses designs, then you can buy them from the market or you can easily get them from the online shopping stores. Crochet work is a hobby of many people, so you can also make a different and useful things for yourself from these people. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so I would like to ask you that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that any video we upload for you, in which we collect beautiful pictures and provide you with more than one advice for free, you will get a notification of them. And talk about taking care of yourself and your loved ones. Keep us in your prayers and give us your feedback in the comment section to encourage us. Also let us know by commenting what you want to see and what you want to learn. Must watch this video till the end. Now allow us to come with many good and lovely ideas and lovely videos. God bless you. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.